Here's a couple reasons why your dirt bike makes a ticking noise. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna check is these valve clearances right here, or 0.05 millimeters. And I did the clearances to the top of the center point, which is, there's a little dot right here. So just to show you guys how thin these clearances are, it's this one right here. So that means that these clearances have to be really tight. I would make the clearance adjustment, and for some reason, it just would not fix the problem. I would spin the engine over, and I'd have wicked loose clearances, and I was so confused on why. So what I did to resolve that is I just spun the engine over when these valves were both open, and then I made my adjustment. So that just shows you how important these clearances are. If they're too loose, they're gonna tick like crazy. So this is gonna be pretty much the last and only problem that you could have that's making a ticking noise if these clearances are good, and that is going to be your chain or your chain guides. So actually on this one, this chain guide on this side, you put this through it and you can actually adjust it here. And there's a spring that goes in this cylinder and holds it in place. That actually popped out. And you can see that on one of my YouTube videos. And then this side was actually in the wrong direction. So I flipped that around and those guides are good to go. The chain is tight. So on this one, you can't really check tension too easily. The way to do it is to go back on that side, grab a flathead and stretch the chain out. And you want to make sure there's tension on that and that it's tight. So those are going to be the most common problems of ticking in your top end. Hopefully that helps you guys find your ticking problem if it's in the top end. So yeah, that's it.